Scorpions, Prince iPal Science here, but without friends. So in our previous 5 episodes, I had so many friends helping me out and sharing great things, but because it's the middle of July, all our teachers are on a well-deserved break and doing amazing things. They're going to class, they're learning new things, they're traveling, they're going to come back with so many great ideas for you. But this episode of Prince iPal Science, it's just Prince iPal Science because my friends are out enjoying their summer. So enjoy this episode of Prince iPal Science and Friends without the friends. Scorpions, your scientific element this month is calcium. Calcium was isolated and first discovered by a chemist and inventor named Sir Humphrey Davey in 1808. The atomic number for calcium is 20, and it's the fifth most abundant element in the human body, 99% of which is found within our bones. So there's your scientific element, calcium. Did you know the human body consists of 206 bones? 26 of these bones are in the foot, 54 in the hand. The smallest bone is the stirrup, and it's found deep inside your ear. Wow, 206 bones. Our scientist in history is Sir Humphrey Davey. He lived from 1778 to 1829. He was a chemist who discovered sodium, potassium, and calcium. Sir Humphrey invented the miner's safety lamp and was instrumental in developing and using the scientific method. So our scientist in history is Sir Humphrey Davey. I have a STEM job for you. So Sir Humphrey Davey was a chemist, and he discovered calcium, potassium, a lot of great things. So a chemist is a scientist who researches chemical substances, performs experiments with the properties of chemical substances, measures the effects of chemical compounds in various situations, and studies interchemical reactions. Yeah, studies chemical reactions. That is a chemist, and that might be a STEM job for you. Chemist job description. Hey there, your scientific word of the week is evidence. Evidence is anything that gives us a reason to believe something. It's that concrete proof. It's another way to look at it. Scientific word of the week, evidence. Scorpions, here is another summer STEM challenge. Once you take an ice cube, out of the freezer, how can you keep ice from melting, or at least slow it down? Or where does ice melt the quickest? And where, possibly, does it melt the slowest? So here is a summer STEM challenge for you. How can you keep ice from melting, or how can you speed up ice melting? Experiment. Try many different variables. Hey, Principal Science here with your math riddle. All right, when does 9 plus 5 equal 2? Wait a second, 9 plus 5 is 14. How could 9 plus 5 equal 2? Well, here you go. 9 plus 5. Got my handy dandy clock. 9 o'clock plus 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 o'clock plus 5 o'clock equals 2 o'clock. So that is when 9 plus 5 equals 2. And there is your math riddle. 2 o'clock. Hey, where in the world is Mr. McConnell? Mr. McConnell is at Niagara Falls. Currently, I am at the bottom of the falls. I'll show you the top of the falls in a little bit. Falls is 167 feet, and the water flows over the falls at 80,000 cubic feet per second. And Niagara Falls has 3 different falls. There's the Bridal Veil Falls, the Horseshoe Falls, and the American Falls. Now, Niagara Falls is also the oldest state park in America, and Niagara Falls creates hydropower. I have a great book for you. It's called I Am Human. It's about all of us. I was born a miracle, one of billions, but unique. I am human. I am always learning. Don't forget that, friends. You are always learning. Even when you get older like me, you're always learning. I'm finding my way and choosing my path on this incredible journey. I have big dreams. I see possibilities. There are possibilities everywhere you go, my friends. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I'm always wondering. I have a feeling of wonder. I am amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in my friendships. I am human. But being human means I'm not perfect and I make mistakes. I can hurt others with my words and my actions and even my silence when I don't speak up. I can be hurt too. I can be fearful of things I don't yet understand. I can be timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness because I am human. But then I remind myself that because I'm human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. A bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion. I can lend a helping hand. I can treat others with equality and be fair. I can choose not to fight, but listen and find common ground. I can say I'm sorry and ask for forgiveness. That was a great Komochi's lesson, asking for a do-over. Sometimes you don't do something right. You just want to say, hey, I didn't handle that well. Can I try again? That's a big thing to ask, and it's a big thing to allow someone to try again. Because I am human, one of billions, but unique. I am human. Friends, that's the end of another episode of Principal Science and Friends. Have a great day. Ta-ta for now.